Greetings of the day. Today I am going to discuss about the Google Drive. The Google Drive, which is really beneficial, and I am going to introduce this drive as a beginner, as in the FDP also I had a discussion with you about the Google Drive, which is really beneficial not only as an academician but also as a research scholar. In this Google Drive, I am going to show you the features as well as the benefits. See, here it is said new, which includes folder you can create. You can upload any of the folder, any of the file which is in your desktop, on your desktop, you can upload it. You can upload any of the folder. Then you have Google Doc option. Right, you have Google Doc option, then you have Google Sheet option, where you have Google Slide option. In all these options, Google Doc option, we have a blank document as well as from the template. I'm going to introduce you about the blank document. So in this blank document is there, which is here, it is untitled, so let's make it as titled. So title, for example, if I am going to write about the ICT intervention in education system. So this is my title. For example, I am going to write here greetings of the day. Today we are here to discuss about the COVID effects on the life and on the education system. Right? I, Dr. Renu, here to find the positive and negative aspects of COVID effect on situation of on education scenario. Right, so I have written all this. This is my document, and my document name is ICT Intervention in Education System. Now see, in this file we have multiple options. The option of share is there, where I can share. If I click to the share, there I found the two options are there. That is, either I can share with any people, or I can get a link, right? And this is setting, which indicates where the editor, they can change permission and share, or they can only comment as well as download or print or copy. So now, my dear friends, if I am going to share here, for example, this email ID, and I am going to share it, and I said this thing, be the editor, be the commenter also, right? So, or be the editor also, so kindly edit it, right? And I am going to send it. So this is the folder which is sent, or here it indicates that this one person is added. I can add multiple of the people, or I can show you this thing, that share. In case of the share, I can get a link. If I copy the link, right? So I copied a link, and that is enough. So what is that link? I can show you here only. This is the link, right? So I can show you. This is just for the purpose of showing you that where is the link. So this is the Google link. This Google link I can use. Let me go to my Gmail ID. Just wait. So from my Gmail ID, Oh, there is some problem, I think so. In my Gmail ID, where I am going to compose a mail, as I compose a mail, I want to share with someone else the link of my this document. See here, I am going to copy it. I am going to send it to say right. So I am going to share it, send. Right, so now here it is, someone needs access to the file, this one, turn link on. So anyone with the link, they can view. So here it is not, if I said do not give access, so if I click to it, so that means I am not going to give the access. If I said no, so they can only view, because turn the link sharing on, if I am going to share it on, then only they can open it, because today you people are facing this problem, right? If I am interested to open this link, then I am supposed to open it properly, open it and let the people comment or edit on it, right? So in this way you can generate a link. Now next is from here only. Now see, from here only, so change the link sharing option, click anywhere in the get link box. Okay, so you can click it, you can change it. So here what happens, you get a link, anyone on the internet with the link can view it. They can only view it, but they can't comment it or they can't edit it. If you want edit, they can edit it. Getting my point? So this is the first one. So it is really beneficial to all of you. Then is the new document I have already opened, my dear friends. Then is you can make a copy of it, you can email as an attachment. मैंने अभी आपको attachment करके दिखाई दिया है. You can download it. Download in the form of the, for example, if I like to PDF. So I click to the PDF. I got a PDF. PDF which is downloaded. I can show you. See, I am opening it as it is downloaded immediately. I am going to show it as it is open. Here it is written PDF, right? So this option is also available. The another option which we have is the current versions and the latest versions, means whatever you had done in the history, on which date, who has done what. Not only me, if I shared with some another person, so what he or she has done, I can even check that. You can create a shortcut also. You can publish on the web, as I already told you. Email collaborators are also there, means number of people will join as I am going to share this document with all of you. Document detail. So what is the detail of the document? This is my drive. I am the owner. So at this time, at this moment, I have created. So this is your this email collector. So then documents I have already shared. Then another option is the language. So in case if I move to the language, as nowadays it is in great demand to consider about the language. So if I talk about the language and I want somewhat Hindi, so if I look for Hindi, here I got this Devanagari, and here you always find that these three options with Hindi or with Punjabi, with Gujarati, any language, Devanagari, Devanagari in script, Devanagari phonetic, Devanagari Hindi. If you click to the pen, so in case if you look for any kind of signature, right? So any kind of signature I am doing in Hindi, because right now English I haven't collected. If I click to Hindi, so as I click to, I am supposed to click to Hindi. So if I click to Hindi, then only I can do for Hindi, right? And vice versa, in any language I can do it. Here the options are also there, so you can use this also, and here you find. Okay, so in any language you can do it. This box will appear. Then I hope it is clear. In case any problem is there, you can give me in the chat box. I will help you out. Then you have the option of edit, which you can undo. Undo means you can do, undo is you want to change it and to let be on the past platform, previous platform, you can get it. Redo also, you can paste also, you can paste without formatting. You can find and replace also. For example, this find and replace, out of this, if you want R and you want if you want R, so see, in this way you will find in this whole R you will easily find, and you can replace with E. You can replace it. See. Okay. So replace all. So here all. Dinu, hinu, he, I. Okay. So if you do not want to, so again find R and find E. I'm going to do it, find E and replace with R. Okay. So it is replace all. You want to replace all. So you get it in the same way. Okay. Fine. So in this way we can do the things. So next is, when in case of the this is in view. This view is related to print outlay. What kind of print outlay you are looking for, what kind of the mode you want. You want the people to mode is edit directly, they can edit it, right? Or they are in the suggestive mode, they can give me the suggestions also, right? कि कहाँ पर हमें क्या करना. For example, here I have deliberately written ARR, right? So they can do that. Also they can read and print my final document too, which is really very important for all of us. Then we have the image. So before going to the image, I am going to the table of approximately this one, right? So here, I'm sorry, yeah, here I am going to insert the table of, see here. So if I am going to add serial number, right, name, object, identify, for example. So right, so for example, if here I'm going to indicate, let me tell you that we can put anything, everything. So image I can upload from my computer, I can upload any sort of a image if I like to. For example, fine. So which is actually very important for us, otherwise it's really very difficult, right? So if I want the another option, because in case of your MCQs or in case of your those question papers, the assignments, these are really very important. So I have put graph also. Just click to the box and just insert your boxes, you will get it. The another option which is really a fruitful option, that is your footnote. I hope all of you are the research scholars and we are in the academics field where we are looking for. So at the end of the page you get this footnote automatically. Once I insert, I go to the click, I got a footnote. See here, this too, right? So I can add my footnote for example, right? So this is your footnote. So I can add end number of the footnotes with the help of this. Earlier we were facing tons of problem that how to do that, but now it is not. It has the facility of the special characters. So these are the special characters which we have, either that is symbols or that is arrow. You can have the punctuations also, my dear friends, so which are really beneficial. We have the modifiers too, so these are the modifiers, right? You have latins, you have scripts also. Any language script you have, you can use it, right? Emojis are also there, so somehow if you are looking for any sort of emojis, so you can utilize that too, the persons with the emotions, because somehow in certain cases you might need in the COVID period certain emojis also, right? So this is the another beautiful option which is available to us and which we can utilize. So in the COVID period, when we are on the virtual classes, so everything is very important to all of us. We must be aware of, and we can utilize them, any of the option. So now this is your, my dear friends, header as well as a footer. So if I talk about my header, this page header, we all are in the writing stages, we do write the pages and all that stuff. So here this is the header, right? So for example, if I have written, right, so on the header I am looking for only this header, and in case of the header, see, add header with the text Dr.RenuVij. I said okay, accept the suggestion, right? So if I talk about the insert and I talk about the footer also, so in this page, see this footer, so there is no need to go to the different type paste or